Okay, this is going to be day 3 of the solar e-bike project. I have removed the giant flippity floppity device over there. The plywood box back. Okay, I like the idea of it, but the problem is it's too heavy on the top of the bike. It causes it to be really top heavy. It wants to fall over constantly, and the damn thing is going to rattle itself apart. So, because I still want an e-bike that's powered by solar, I have decided to go down the route of solar trailer. This is an old little trailer that I picked up for, I think it was $50 about a year ago. The idea was to haul the dog in it, but she has anxiety and doesn't want to be in it. But I was thinking about it and I realized, A, my tent can fit in there, my camping bag can also fit in there, and a whole bunch of other cargo. And if need be, I can always just cram the dog in it, or she can run alongside like she likes to. The other thing I'm going to do is, for the back cargo area, I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and throw 2 milk crates together, and I'm going to combine them together. They're milk crates, you can find them pretty much anywhere. Never buy a fucking milk crate, just get them behind your local billionaire company that underpays their employees. Am I advocating for stealing? Well, that's a complicated question. Use your imagination. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bolt them together on the side down here. And I'm just going to do like 4 bolt holes, and I'm just going to cut the whole middle section out, so that way I can throw an extra bike battery in here. That would then make this about 20 odd inches long. And then I can throw a 50-watt solar panel on it, and if that turns out to be too much, I can just get a 50-watt flexible solar panel on it. Remember, we need to keep this as lightweight as possible. I'm also thinking about maybe getting some pannier bags on the side of it, one on each side. I was thinking about doing that over there, checking my Aldi bags to go on it, because, you know, Aldi grocery bags are the way to go for reusable stuff. They're cheap, and they last forever, and they're big. But I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. What this will probably cost me is a single bolt kit, a couple of washers, 2 milk crates that you can get for free, and I can just throw it on the back with some hose clamps that I've already got. I already got 2 of them right there. Also, if you get a KBO Ranger, the thing you have to add, and I'm completely amazed that it didn't come with one, but to be fair, it was a cheap cargo bike for $1,500. I'm going to throw a mirror on the back of it. I'm thinking about possibly getting a component where I can throw another crate on the front, just so I can have something that I can actually throw my phone charger and stuff like that into, and any other tiny misc. You'd think that this would come with a USB port, since it probably runs everything on 5 volt anyway. But no. I'll probably find a place to hack it, but for the moment, I'm going without one. It's not really a big deal anyway. Honestly, I could have done a lot worse with this bike, so I really shouldn't complain too much. Oh yeah, also the bike battery is out at the moment. Where did I put it? I don't know. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it has been a very rough month for me. This is the first day I've been able to really work on stuff around the house, because basement's been flooding. Paige's car blew up. That's why I have this spot to work on this now, is Paige's car is no longer available, and I need to get her a new one. Well, I say get her a new one, you know, God. I'm tired. Oh well, not a big deal. Anyway, here's what I'm going to do for the solar bike trailer. I did lose one part on it. It's floating around somewhere, but really the only major thing I have to do for it is I'm going to make a frame. I've got, both of these are 200 watt flexible, both of these are 100 watt each flexible solar panels that are pretty well reviewed on Amazon. And I got all 200 watts of it for about, I want to say it was like $140. They're about 48 inches long, they're about 20 inches wide each. Yeah, about that. And I'm going to build a PVC frame, as you can probably tell, over this bike, figure out how to have it go down. I'm probably going to use some clips on it in order to keep it secured. I wanted this to be able to be fairly collapsible if need be. So I could throw it in the back of someone's pickup truck if need be, or just fold it up so it doesn't take up more room, or, you know, a couple of other things. Hopefully, and this little trailer here, a lot of these have this. It has a little rear side that you can throw stuff. All I throw in there is duct tape, and this cordage too is for my dog. So she doesn't run out of it. I was trying to train her. She has a lot of anxiety. It's kind of its own thing. Anyway, yeah, I'm thinking I'm going to build I'm going to build a system that is about it'll have 4 sections to it, and then I'm thinking out on the outer edges over here, I'm going to have screw holes go through into it or just zip tie it together. I haven't decided yet. Maybe I'll just tie it together with string and then I'll come up with something more permanent. And from there, I'm going to have 2 bars, one on each corner of it, that go directly down. I'm not sure if I'm going to be screwing to the frame or if I'm just going to hose clamp it on. I'm still thinking about it. But either way, I think having longer... Oh, God, that might get screwed up on the... It might be too wide with that wheel there. Oh, let's rearrange it a little. Huh. Okay. Actually, if you look on it from side to side, I should have enough room on the back of it. It shouldn't be too bad. Oh, these panels weigh almost nothing, by the way. It's like a sheet of very thick cardboard. I think so it won't be nearly as top heavy anymore, although it's on the back trailer, which will then be pressing down on the back wheel, is where the motor is, so ideally I shouldn't be dealing with too much of an issue on it. The other, oh yeah, I'm also using 3/4 inch PVC piping at the moment, and I got a ton of different connection bits. I keep saying Loctite. I'm not going to cement anything in place until I have everything completely together. I'm not going to screw anything, not using the screw together bits. I'm going to try and... I want to have a working prototype before I make anything permanent on this. I have the feeling that I'm going to be dicking around with this for quite a long time. Yeah. So yeah, first real day of work. Now that spring's begun. I'll have to go back and work in the garden too. I'm trying to do other projects back there. But anyway, yeah, I will update you guys when I have something of a working... When I have this more together. Alright, later.